Good morning. Today is Monday, August 14th-ish.
July.
What?
July.
July 14th-ish? 14th? 15th? 15th. Good morning. Today is July 15th and we are getting the end walls put up on the high tunnel. We picked up the boards yesterday and they are going up today. I just got done with work meeting, so I'm back to the farm and helping Owen and Beck and my dad. And let me show you what we got done. We have walls. Woohoo! So you get to nail it up? How did you get so lucky? I find it funny that your shoes are sitting next to you up there though.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it does. Looks nice pulling up. Can I just grab a side?
Yep, you can, but it's easier to do it like this. I don't have to straighten my arms.
We're gonna cut this.
Now, the only thing we got to worry about is once it gets flush up there in that joint. Whoops, watch your fingers. Once that joint is flush and snug the way it's supposed to be, then you nail. Okay? No, go ahead, you can do it in there. That's the most important part.
Me?
Yep, and I don't have.
What? In here?
Yep.
Over my back?
Yep, help Owen lift up. So he doesn't have anything to really hang on to.
This one down.
Just, I don't think you're gonna need that much, are you? Nope, kick it out. Put the board along the front edge of it.
We have most of the west end wall up. We just have a couple pieces left, and then we're going to cut out the openings for the doors and windows, and then that will be done. Owen is putting up the top pieces right now. We're going to take a water break, but Owen's putting up the last of the top pieces, and then my dad's going to start cutting the doors. We are so close to having this door cut out. So we're trying to get it done really quick in between storm cells. That's a doozy right there. Really?
That's it.
Can you get a little more out of there or no? No?
Got everything in.
I wonder if we put it on the round saw. Think that would work?
No.
So we're at the end of whatever day today is, and overhead door goes to there. The cut on that is there, and we just cannot get enough charge in that battery because we are working around the storms and baseball and all of that good stuff. But door, window, and then you can see the hole for the other door there. And then tomorrow we got to trim down that arch there. Right there. There we go. Trim down that arch. And then we are going to work on the other side. So we are really making progress. It looks like we will be able to get the top on in the next few, see, if we plan working on the ends till Wednesday, then I think we can get the top on till on Thursday or Friday. So, and then we are done. Yes. So we are making lots of progress. Then when it's all done, we have to stain it, but that's okay. That's a easy, fun, quick job. What? I don't know, there's a line drawn on your side. Take two. Made it another 6 inches. You can start to see all the flowers popping out on the pumpkins there and there and there and there and there. It's gonna be really pretty in a few days. I think he's just doing that to irritate me or to make me think the battery died. Not quite. There you go. Hooray! Finally! Nice. Looks good. What do you think? Do you like it? Man of many words. So it's about 8:30 and finally we got it done. So there's the big door, the vent window, and then the little single door. And tomorrow my dad's gonna trim that off and we're gonna work on that end. So now it is a wrap for the day. It's raining, if you can't tell. And we're going in. Good night. That's crazy intense. Did you see it behind this tree?